Are you ready for the next big thing? L.I.F.T Pakistan is one of the biggest entrepreneurial conferences in Pakistan, and after a successful wrap in 2019, we are back with a bang. L.I.F.T Pakistan provides a platform for exploring solutions to the major challenges through learning, innovation, funding, and technology. We are bringing under one roof right entrepreneurs, startups, SMEs, industry professionals, investors, and thought leaders of various domains to navigate their way to a successful Pakistan. This year, we have expanded our focus to 12 major sectors of Pakistan, including education, healthcare, finance, technology, renewable energy, construction, tourism, agriculture, precision engineering, creative industries, textile, and manufacturing. Don't get too carried away yet, because we still have a lot up our sleeves. Through this conference, you will get a chance to get introduced to a brand new tribe of collaborators and investors. We aim at generating $100 billion for Pakistan to provide support and assistance to the startups, businesses, and entrepreneurial minds. Be a part of this conference as we engage 20,000 attendees, 150 SMEs, 200 startups, 20 universities, 15 countries, 200 speakers, and 50-plus investors. With L.I.F.T Pakistan, feel empowered and become the master of your destiny. Join us and play your part in uplifting the Pakistan. Stronger together, building a great nation.